What is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or of course welcome if you are new. If you are new then my name is Finn, and in today's video we are so lucky and I am so excited to film today's video. So as you can see by the title, we are actually going to be diving into a new product for me anyway. I've not used this before and we're going to be doing something to my hair and seeing what happens with it. As you can see by the title, in today's video we're going to be having a look at the Revolution hair care tones for brunettes, particularly the Californian Orange. I'm so buzzing for this, I'm so excited. If you guys are in the UK, you know that we're back in another lockdown. I was meant to go to Tony & Guy a couple of weeks ago and get this rejigged. That's not going to happen now for a very, very long time, and my roots are incredibly brown. So I need to do something with it. I'm not sure if I need to write gifted in the title. It is technically gifted. I'm not being paid for this review. However, I'm incredibly fortunate and incredibly lucky that Chris from Revolution Hair Care has actually sent me these products to test, to see if they work. I'm so fortunate and so excited to test these for you. That said, I'm not being paid for this. My opinion on here is going to be completely 100% honest. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm not going to make it look amazing if it's not. You guys will see what happens to my hair. So without further ado, let's revamp this orange. I'm looking a little bit ropey. I say a little bit, I'm looking a lot of bit ropey because this is actually day 4 hair. So I should have really washed it yesterday, but because I knew these were coming today, I thought no, I'll just do it. So this is what my hair is currently looking like. It is dyed, and I know that you guys are probably going to be thinking,
why dyeing your hair orange? It's already orange.
My roots are currently brown, which is why I've got to do something with it. Here is the product we're using today. So this is the Revolution Tones for Brunettes bottle. I think the packaging is freaking beautiful. That is stunning. It reminds me of kind of Arctic Fox mixed with Bleach London, the pink Bleach London stuff. Does that make sense? It should brighten it up a bit. It should take to my roots a bit because they are really dark brown. And overall it should just look a lot nicer than what it does now. Let's read you the bottle. The bottle says, Tones for Brunettes, California Orange, non-permanent colour, conditioner and gloss. And then at the bottom it also says, which is what I love about Revolution products, vegan and cruelty free. No bunnies were harmed in the making of this product. I've read the instructions, I have done a strand test and a patch test. I kind of know what direction we're going in with this. The only thing with this bottle I will say is that the directions are in tiny writing. If you struggle to read, I'd probably take a picture and zoom right in. The direction of use: before application, carry out the strand test, done. Patch test, done. Wear suitable gloves and protective clothing. Apply to clean, dry hair in sections. It's not clean. I've never been told to apply dye in clean hair. You normally do it on slightly dirty hair. Using an application brush, wait for 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water and style as desired. Do not shampoo directly after use. Longer hair may require an additional bottle, which is why he has sent me 2. But I'm just going to pop my hair into upper section and a lower section. So I definitely recommend wearing clothes that you don't care about, because during my patch test I did get a tiny little bit on my joggers. To be fair, the joggers I don't care about, they are old ones, but I did get a tiny bit on there and I don't think that's going to be coming out anytime soon. So wear clothes you don't care about. Seriously guys, look at this. It is so vibrantly orange. I just think that is such a pretty, gorgeous colour. And oh my god, that smells amazing. Do you know, it really reminds me of a salon. It smells like when they do your hair at the salon and it's the salon like conditioner and you get the nice deep head massage treatment. It smells like that. I freaking love that. Let's just give you a quick 360 of my current hair before we put anything on it. My hair is incredibly long. It goes, I don't know, at the bottom of my back. My rootage is not great at the moment. Again, it is on day 4, so other than that it is in actually quite good quality. It's just fading a lot now. So, I mean, I'll pop some Instagram pictures. My hair looks different in loads of different kinds of light, but I love my hair in this one because it's so vibrant and really like out there. Right, let's chuck this on my head. For this process, you are also going to need a bowl, and you're going to need one of these little brush things to get on your roots. I actually got this as a set for £1.50 from Home Bargains a long time ago, so you don't have to spend a fortune. I'm trying my best to film a TikTok and a YouTube video in one, and I am struggling. Brad Mondo, if you're watching, honey, I have got no idea what I'm doing. Oh, my neck is gonna go orange. Yippee! I'm so excited. I haven't done anything like this in such a long time because I've been using the salon and I love doing my hair myself. So if you're that kind of girl or boy, whoever, if you're that sort of person that just loves doing things yourself, let me know. There's something just so satisfying about doing it yourself, even if it goes wrong, I don't care. You're gonna have to be so careful with this stuff because I've got orange like everywhere. Let's do this bit. I'm going to skip ahead, do exactly the same for this, and then I'll get back to you. See you in a sec. I've got orange hands. Right guys, I am done with that part. It was actually not difficult, to be honest. I only separated my hair because I want to get all of my roots. But it was actually quite easy. The tricky bit now is trying to get it off my skin because I have got it in most places. I'm so excited. I have to leave this on my hair now for 30 minutes. Then I have to rinse it off with lukewarm water with no shampoo. So I will see you guys in 30 minutes. Let me just give you a quick head tour. Hope that was worth it. There's a tiny bit there that I've missed, so I'm just going to grab a tiny bit left over from the bowl and just plonk it there. I will see you guys in half an hour. Please wish me luck. See you soon.
Several bad puns later.
Right, beautifuls, it has been half an hour. This is what my hair is currently looking like. I think it is definitely developed. I'm so excited to see what it's going to look like underneath. So I'm going to go and rinse it off with lukewarm water. I'm not going to use shampoo, I'm not going to use anything else. Just rinse it off and I'll be back at that point. So I'll see you in a sec. Obviously it is still very, very wet. It's not going to look wow. Okay. That is so much more vibrant. I cannot wait to dry this. What I'm more excited for is that hopefully the roots, once it's all dry, have taken a little bit. But I think this is more for light brown hair anyway. So if you have dark brown hair like me, it's probably not going to be as much of a difference. Hopefully when we dry it, it will look good. I'm so excited. So vibrant and bright, and I don't think I've missed any spots either. This is what it's looking like while it's wet. I love the colour. It smells amazing. It genuinely feels like, I can't wait to see how shiny this is when it's dry. But it feels freaking beautiful. My hair feels so soft and smooth, and it's not even dry yet. Oh my gosh, I love it. Right guys, I'm going to go away, I'm going to blow dry style, add a little bit of makeup, and then I'm going to come back and show you the final look. I will see you guys very, very shortly. Love you, see you in a sec. Right guys, this is the final look. I am absolutely so happy with this. It's so much more vibrant, it's bright, it's cute. I absolutely love it. My hair feels really good quality, really soft, silky smooth. It smells amazing too, which my boyfriend also complimented on. So, you know, if your boyfriend thinks it smells nice, or if your partner thinks it smells nice, it probably smells nice. I am so impressed with this stuff. I'm definitely going to be buying it again. It didn't take to my proper roots as well, but then again, it is a temp hair dye, it's semi-permanent, and I have really dark hair, so I can't expect absolute wonders. It wasn't hard, it was very easy, and I'm just so happy. So beautiful, that is the end of today's YouTube video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you are new here and you haven't yet done so, maybe consider subscribing. We're on the way to 1500 and I'd really appreciate it. Stay safe guys, stay happy, stay smiling, and I cannot wait to see you in the next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye.